Welcome aboard the beautiful Main Sheet, a 2000 Island Packet 320, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Island Packet 320 combines the extensive building, sailing, and design experience that has made Island Packet Yachts America's cruising yacht leader. The Island Packet 320 was designed to maximize offshore capability and liveaboard comfort, and Main Sheet is a great example of a proven design and functionality and comfort. Main Sheet has been very well maintained and has many recent upgrades. The swim ladder and swim platform allow easy access to the boat. Side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and it is easy to walk around the stays to get forward and move around the deck. Moving forward, the foredeck gives easy access to the bow anchor and the bow pulpit. Tacking and jibing is a breeze with a self-tacking jib. The Island Packet 320 offers end-mast furling that is safe and easy to operate in a wide range of conditions. Side decks give great access to the cockpit. The cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing and can accommodate more than just a few friends. There is easy access to storage under the seats. With primary winches close to the helm and control lines that lead back to the cockpit, this boat can be easily sailed single-handed. The cockpit features a center table that is easy to set up, and there is room to move around the table in any position. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. There is excellent visibility in all directions from the helm. Autopilot and engine controls are easily viewed and accessed from the helm. On the port side is a chart plotter and autopilot controls, and on the starboard side are the engine gauges. Control lines are led back to cabin top mounted winches on both the port and starboard sides. The companionway is wide and open, and accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior. The salon is wide and open with excellent seating options on both sides. There are many different areas for storage throughout the salon and the boat. The large table folds down and provides plenty of room for meals for both crew and guests. The efficient U-shaped galley has ample storage for food and utensils and more than enough counter space to prepare meals. The galley features a sizable 2-basin stainless steel sink and a 2-burner stove with oven on a gimbal. A microwave is mounted over the counter, and the spacious refrigerator is easily accessed from the countertop. Aft and to port, there is an aft cabin with a double berth, which also serves as seating for the navigation station. There's a privacy partition that can be arranged in one of 3 places, either for storage, for privacy, or as a navigation station table. Moving forward is a generous and comfortable cabin with berth to the port side and storage to the starboard side. To port is a spacious head and shower. The engine and engine space is clean and has been well maintained. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, Main Sheet strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. To book your appointment to view this Island Packet 320, contact Little Yacht Sales.